In this video, we're going to talk about Jordan 1s that have gone down in price. They're a very bad investment. As of right now, probably my worst investment, but I wanted to tell you guys about the giveaway going on for the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s. I'm giving away this pair for completely free. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof. You could also leave a comment down below on this video. That will also help your chances of winning. Be sure to enter the giveaway for the Hyper Royals. I'll be picking a winner on May 11th. You have some time. Be sure to get your entries in for this brand new pair, size 8. Sneakerheads, I need to tell you guys about Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes high quality bags for sneakerheads when you travel. Be sure to click my link down below in the description and use my discount code. Everything is down below in the description. You guys can save 40% off your order using my discount code Danny Moore. The link is down below. Be sure to check out Sole Premise. Now let me show you guys the bag. This right here is their bag that holds 1 to 2 pairs of sneakers. They also have backpacks that hold 4 to 5 pairs of sneakers, duffel bags, all different types of carry bags for when you guys travel for sneakerheads. So right here, I did empty out the bag, except I left 1 pair of sneakers I want to show you guys. I have my Bread Yeezys right there, as well as I can fit another pair of sneakers back there as well. I can also fit my computer, some more clothing as well. I also have more space. What I love about Sole Premise is there's tons of space in their bags. So right here in the front, we have some compartments. We have some zipper compartments, another zipper compartment as well. In every bag, there seems to be a hidden feature on their bags. And right here on this backpack, there's actually a zipper on the side, and you can actually put whatever you want right here as well. Sole Premise, check them out. Link is down below in the description. Be sure to use my discount code Danny Moore for 40% off your order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. So in this box, we have a pair of Jordan 1s that has gone down in price since its release back last year, around 6-7 months ago now. Sneaker has dropped in price a good amount of money. This Jordan 1 has dropped in price. I think it basically plateaued. I think it will eventually go up in price. It'll definitely take a while. This is a while hold, a long hold, like I told you guys in the video when this sneaker dropped. If you wanted to hold this sneaker, it's going to be an extremely long hold. All Jordan 1s go up in price, but they take a long time. Certain ones take a long time, and in my opinion, this is one that's going to take quite a bit of time to go up in price. If you guys love sneakers, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to enter in the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 giveaway. And let's go ahead and unbox this Jordan 1 right now, and we'll talk more about these sneakers. So right here, we have the Air Jordan 1 in the black metallic gold colorway. So, I held on to this pair. I held on to them for some time. I did buy a pair after the drop, after they released, and I held on to them. I wanted to see if maybe I would be wrong, and I was not wrong. As of right now, this sneaker has dropped. In that video, I told you guys they're gonna go to like $220, and they did. They completely dropped in price. Dope Jordan 1, I guess. Not for me personally. It's not one I'm very into. I do think it's very shiny. It is very shiny. I do wish it had a white midsole. It's the only thing that's really throwing it off. But other than that, it's a dope Jordan 1. The colorway is nice. And it being patent leather is kind of off for me. I wish it was all leather. But other than that, man, it is still a Jordan 1 with very nice color blocking and very nice colors. That black and gold are very nice and really do pop on this Jordan 1. Guys, you can pick these up for around $200 in pretty much every size. Grade school is around $170, $160, $170. Not much over retail at all. Retail plus tax, maybe an additional 20 bucks on top, and you got yourself a pair. Nothing crazy at all. This was a flop of a Jordan 1 investment as of right now. I believe these released in November of last year. They were selling for around $230, $240, $250 when they released, and they've completely dropped to $200. You could probably even get them for right around retail at being at $170. It's not much over retail at all. Guys, what the hell happened to this sneaker. Look, I had a feeling that this would happen because I don't think this is a sought after Jordan 1 that people are going to be crazy about. But it might be sought after later on, but as of now, this is not really a sought after Jordan 1, and resale prices are really showing that, especially in grade school sizes. A lot of grade school Jordan 1s do very, very well. Take a look at Hyper Royals, grade school, right off the jump. Right? Take a look at University Blues. There's a bunch of other Jordan 1s. Even less hype Jordan 1s, Volt Golds, grade schools, are worth more than this grade school. Isn't that crazy? And they was released in January this year compared to November of last year. This is not a very good Jordan 1. Like I said, I am still going to hold on to a few pairs. I think I have like 2 pairs that I held on to. Nothing crazy. I just wanted to pull them out, show you guys, talk about them. If you did hold on, please leave a comment down below. Let me know. I want to see who held on to this sneaker release. Who held on? Let me know, bro. Did you hold on? Are you still holding? Are you selling? Did you sell already, you know, day of release for the quick flip, which I think was definitely the move to do, especially now. Long term, I will tell you guys, these definitely will see $300. I think that's a given. I think that's very obvious. These will see $300, maybe even $350. Will it be worth it? That's another story. If you have capital and you want to hold them, sure. You know, it's better than holding money in the bank, I'll tell you that much. So now I want to tell you guys how much money I lost. So, I paid $225 per pair for 2 pairs after the release, so $450. I'm gonna lose money if I sell them now. I would lose, what, like $40, $50 probably. I'm not gonna be selling them now. I don't need the money. I could afford to hold on to them, so I will be holding on to them. I bought these, like I said, just to hope that maybe I would be wrong. I wasn't wrong, which is cool, but at the same time, I lost money, which is not cool. As of now, I didn't lose money until I sell, right? I will be selling these once they hit 300. It will take a while longer, but it is what it is. I don't need the money, so it's all cool. So I'll be holding on to them, man. I'll be holding on to them. Once these hit like 3, I'll go ahead and let them go. Once I see them creeping up, you know, I'll probably go ahead and let them go. It's not really one that I need to hold on to. I don't think this is one that I should be holding on to personally for a very, very long time. Some people might want to. Me personally, I'm good. There's a lot other Jordan 1s, a lot other sneaker investments in general that I'd rather put my money into. I don't want to take a loss. I could take a loss. Sometimes you could take a loss and put the money into the right spots and make up for that loss. I could do that. I have money in the right spots, so I'm okay. But sometimes you do need to take a loss and you will make up for that loss in the winning with the next deal. So remember that. Be smart out there. You know, don't hold on to a shoe just because you don't want to lose 10, 20 bucks when you can go make 50, 100 somewhere else. Right, guys? Be smart out there. Make sure you guys make the right investments. This right here, as of now, is not the right investment. But who knows? Down the line, it might change. This is a dope Jordan 1 nonetheless. Very, very dope shoe at the end of the day. These are clean. Let me know if you guys own a personal pair. Personally, it's not a must cop, so I will not be putting this shoe into my personal collection. I do appreciate the colors. Just the black midsole, I think, is what's throwing it off for me personally. So let me know what you guys think about the black and gold Air Jordan 1 down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, please. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. So if you guys enjoy this video and you guys love Air Jordan 1 content, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. That's the like goal for this video. Please, more family, I know you guys can do it. Hit that thumbs up for me and make sure you drop a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments, and I do read every comment, and I will reply to a lot of the comments. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure you guys get your entries in for the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 giveaway. I'm giving these away on May 11th. All you guys need to do, once again, is hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, give me a follow over on Instagram at DannyMoore2369. DM me proof that you did everything. Good luck. Very dope pairs of Jordan 1s, man. I love Jordan 1s. Let me know if you guys want me to do some other Jordan 1 videos, or maybe switch it up, maybe do some public videos. I've been thinking about taking some public videos and maybe doing something a little crazy. So let me know what you guys think about Jordan 1s. What's your favorite Jordan 1 of these two? I'm gonna go, obviously, Hyper Royal, but this is a clean Jordan 1 as well. Let me know if you guys are still holding on to these for dear life. I know some people are, man. Dope Jordan 1 at the end of the day. And they will eventually go up, but as of right now, this is not this Jordan 1's time, man. Let me know what you guys think about the sneaker. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.